Mark Wahlberg is selling his Beverly Hills estate for nearly $90 million.
Wow.
This is an enormous compound. I don't know if you can tell, Will. There's the main house, which is like a gigantic castle of sorts. You also have the guest house, which is bigger than most houses. And or that might even be more than one guest. I don't know what the thing on the right is. You have a full-size basketball court there in the back. You have these manicured landscaped areas. There's a little golfing green down below the, I look at this, Will, and it reminds me of something we talked about with the yachts. How you get a certain amount of, you have a certain amount of money and possessions and things, and then I can't help myself but think about the maintenance. I can't help it. I'm looking at this. I see the whole staff. I see the monthly fees.
Yes.
I can't help it, Will. I see all the working components and the management of such things.
Also, this furniture is it going to stay here if someone buys it, or is Wahlberg going to take it?
You can negotiate.
Because designing this whole thing again, if someone's buying this, all the furniture, all the wallpaper, the flooring, if they choose to renovate or something, it's man, so much work goes into actually buying a giant estate and customizing it.
In his case, he didn't even buy it. He bought the land for $8 million and built everything to his specification or whatever, his team or his family or so it's been an ongoing project over a long period of time. Look at the gym. The gym is quite extensive as well. And he's going to this is a profitable thing. He didn't spend $90 million building this. And the real estate stuff has been bananas, as you know. Mm-hmm. And so this is going to be a lucrative project when it's all said and done. And he got to live there in the meantime. But yeah, it's a very elaborate place, and someone's going to pick it up for a cool 90 mil. What do you think? What do you think about it? The stylings and such.
You know what? I like it because every room is different. I've always been a fan of a Wonderland kind of mansion where every room has a style.
You know what? Another thing that I recognize here is when you have such a large place like that, it's hard to make it cozy, but he jammed it full of furniture.
Yes.
So that it actually doesn't feel as vast as it is.
Yeah. And he's probably gone to that room once.
Yeah.
In his entire...
For a nap.
Yeah.
I'm going to go nap in that room over there. Yeah.
But wow, it looks great.
Okay. Well, we'll see if he gets the 90 mil or not, but the real estate stuff's out of control.
Yeah. Good luck.